learners. So here today we are going to in the short video I'll try to explain what are the drill down feature in the Power BI. This is very powerful feature in the Power BI. So if you can see, I have taken a bar graph. Here I have taken this stacked column chart, and it is showing us total orders by region. So you can see here. Okay, first of all, this hierarchy, and you can see this drill. This is the drill down, and this is the go to the next level, and this is a hierarchy. Okay, this will come only if you have this hierarchical structure in the x-axis. Let's suppose I have reason in the x-axis, and I have taken the order date by year and quarter. If I remove this, okay, so you can see these options are not visible. So that means we cannot drill through this report. Okay, so in order to drill through this report, what I need to do, I need year in the x-axis. Okay, so what I have happened, the moment I have taken the, because date is having a hierarchy by year, quarter, month and day, so we'll drag and drop here. So as soon as I drag and drop here, I can see all these options available. Okay, if I come here by the year, I'm getting it, but I don't want year for now, let's say. Okay, so you can see here, I come back to this total share by region. So you can see what is this option is saying, drill mode on. Click on the data point to drill. So this option enable us to see the drill to or analysis on particular bar. If I click on this bar, okay, this which is central region. So if I click on this bar, so you can see it drill through the that bar only for the central only 2023, 2024, 2025. Okay, and if I, let's suppose this is till year, so let's suppose I have taken the quarter as well. So what will happen if I click on here? Okay, if I click on this one, I need to make this enable drill mode on, and then I need to select this one bar. So it will go back, it will go to the quarter. You can see here, go back, and I'll say again, I'll show you. For central region I wanted to go, so I'm coming inside one level down. Okay, so this is the option for this. If I make it disable, and here this is the expand all the level down one level hierarchy. So if I click on here, so what will happen, it will show central east, it will show all the regions and all the year as well, but I have the quarter as well. Let's suppose I wanted to drill through again one more level. So I click here, you can see for central region year or for quarters, this is the total share. For central region 2024, these are the order share for all the quarters. So this basically gives us all the analysis on for all the hierarchy. Okay, and this is basically when we click on the specific bar, if we can see the hierarchical structure as we need to, if you have to drill up. So for that we can use this. So I think you understood the reason between this one. Okay, all these icons. So this is a drill up, then this is specifically if you wanted to drill through for each of the bars, so you can turn on this drill down, and this is go to the next level. So what this one is, if you click here, so it will give the value of year only. So you get a total share by year, but you noticed here reason is not here. Okay, if I go back, quarter is coming, but now year and region is disappear. So this is basically, it gives the lowest level of the data. I mean, currently we are at the lowest level of the data because the quarter is the least one, but this is basically, it will take all the levels in and show us. Okay, so if you click here, you can see, we can see year and region as well as the quarter as well. But when we click on here, so it will give only year, and it will not showing us reason. So I hope you understood the difference between all these icons. Thank you and have a nice day.